Hello, me again, Tim. This is part 6. Here's some more birdhouses. They got a lot of birdhouses out here for your birds. You could tell. It's a beautiful evening here in Battle Creek. We got a festival happening coming up starting July 1st through July 4th called the Battle Creek Field and Flight Show with balloons and some air shows happening. And see, here's the other trail. I showed it part 2. And that comes this direction. Sometimes when I'm out here at this time, I'll see a doe, but my doe ain't out here tonight. You can tell this used to be a rock dirt road. So I would like to see it be a paved road. Down a paved path, I mean, not a road. You can tell, got a lot of old trees that they need to come in here, get out. Time to take these old trees out of here. Kind of looks like a wicked forest with them. Because when they start to not get leaves and stuff on them, I guess it's time to start taking them down. Yeah, anybody that would like to help out or donate, hey, contact me. I'll give you the information how you could do it. So this place, this park, this Woodland Park and Nature Preserve can start getting their fundings to fix up this park the way they want it to be. So more people that can come out and just enjoy a time out here in nature. Because without their fundings, yeah, nothing's gonna happen. It was earlier tonight. Got to see. I seen somebody jogging and jogging right by this place. And kind of sad that, you know, he ain't out here, the person isn't out here jogging. And that's what I would like to see. More people out here at this park. Because they're talking about adding picnic tables out here so people could come out here and have a picnic. You can tell the place is big for a picnic. A lot of picnic tables. Also, there's talking about them having a playground out here, so you know, if that families could bring their kids out and play on the playground. But they can't do anything without any funding, without any money. So anybody that's interested on donating or helping out this park, go to woodlandparkbc.com. Also, there's talk about, if you could see that solo over here, they want to get that solo fixed up, but they can't do anything without the fund, without any money. Or if you know anybody that wants to come and voluntarily do it, hey, get a hold of them. Again, I'm going to give you the you can tell how old this solo is, and they want to fix that baby up. So anybody that would like to come and voluntarily work and fix up that solo, fix it up, contact this place. It's called woodlandparkbc.com. Again, woodlandparkbc.com. If you're interested on doing some volunteer work for the park, make it look beautiful, so people it'll attract more people. But for now, my name is Tim, and thanks for watching.